everyone, it's Holly and it's day 2 of doing my Pride Week rainbow colors. And obviously today's color is orange and my audio is totally screwed up in this video as well. I don't know why, but my microphone and my ring light are just not meshing together. So without further ado, let's get into it. I'll be starting off with this orange shade and just putting that all throughout the crease. Then I'll be going into that darker orange shade and I'll be actually darkening up that crease and making it a lot more rich. I definitely feel like this helps create a lot of depth, and we will also be doing a cut crease today. Then digging into that bright orange color and I will be putting that on the top, getting that near the eyebrow, and just to give it that true orange color. Like, I feel like these colors just together, they seriously look like a creamsicle. Then digging into this like light yellowy shimmery color, and I'm just throwing that up by my brow bone just to give it that extra shine. Then I'm going through and just blending all of this together, just kind of getting that darkened a little bit more. Then I'm using my Drug Lord Velour Liquid Lipstick from Jeffree Star Cosmetics to create that cut crease. This lipstick is drying out so bad, so this is not working like I want it to, but you know what? I made it work. Then going into the Jawbreaker palette, going into the shade Orange Juice. I'll just be placing that all over the lid, and I am so obsessed with this color. It is so pretty. Then digging into this gold-ish color and just doing that inner corner. And I'm blending this color into that Orange Juice shade as well. And I feel like these two blend together so well. Then going into this burnt orange glittery color. And we're just going to put that on the outer V and just kind of tapping that on just to darken it up a little bit while also maintaining the color as well. Then I went through and I'm using that bright orange just to get that pigment a little bit better. Then going into this orangish brown shade, and I'm just running that along my lower lash line. Then going into that light yellowy-ish white color, and I'm just highlighting my inner corners of the eye to make this look stand out even more. Then I'm using my Urban Decay 24/7 eyeliner in the shade Yayo, something like that. And it's just like a white eyeliner, any eyeliner would work. And I'm just running that through the waterline. Then I'm using my highly rated mascara from Milani Cosmetics. Just doing those lower lashes to make the eyes stand out and make them look a little bit bigger. And then, okay, so this part is kind of a fraud because I was using the shade Anna Nicole Velour Liquid Lipstick, and for one, you can't even see it because I failed to film this part, and two, it just didn't look good. So yeah, so now I'm just gonna pop on some eyelashes and then you will get to see the completed look. So this is the completed look. I ended up changing up the lipstick because I did not like that bright fluorescent orange. I don't know, I just feel like it made the look not cohesive. But then I put on Leo Velour Liquid Lipstick from Jeffree Star Cosmetics, and I feel like that made the world's difference. It made the eyes stand out a lot more rather than the lips. Stay tuned for the next video, which will be yellow. And I've never really done just an all over yellow look on my eyes before, so I am so pumped. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again. Make sure to like and subscribe if you would like to see more from me. Bye!